A North Carolina police officer is set to appear in court tomorrow. He faces a manslaughter charge in the shooting death of a former college football player. As Mark Strassmann reports, the young man may have been running to police for help.
Police were called early Saturday morning to investigate an attempted robbery call in northeast Charlotte. It was 2:30 in the morning. A homeowner heard someone banging on her front door and dialed 911.
To her surprise, it was an individual that she did not know or recognize. She immediately closed the door, hit her panic alarm, called 911.
Nearby, 3 responding police officers spotted 24-year-old Jonathan Farrell, a former football player with Florida A&M University.
As the officers approach him just to determine if in fact he is the individual, what's going on, he just immediately takes off and runs toward a particular officer, and that officer attempted to retreat, but at the same time fired his weapon.
Police first tried to stop Farrell with a taser, but those officers say he continued to run toward them. Officer Randall Carrick then shot him multiple times. Farrell, who was unarmed, was pronounced dead at the scene. But investigators now believe that Farrell may have been looking for help after a serious car accident. They found his crashed and damaged Toyota Camry in nearby woods. The accident was severe enough that Farrell apparently climbed out its rear window to escape. He then walked half a mile to the nearest home, where his knocking startled the homeowner, who dialed 911.
I never see anything like this go down. I mean, this is a very good neighborhood. To hear that happen, I don't know, this is crazy.
Carrick, a 2-year veteran of the police force, was charged with voluntary manslaughter and later released on $50,000 bond. Local civil rights groups are furious, and the shooting has ignited a social media firestorm, with accusations that the shooting was racially motivated. Farrell's family is expected to hold a press conference later this morning in what appears like a misunderstanding that ended in a tragedy. For CBS This Morning, Mark Strassmann, Atlanta.